Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mr. Dancy Pants, and today we are bringing you another tutorial, this time for the double crescent knot. Before we begin, if you want to help the channel grow, go down, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell. That will let you know every time I upload a new video and will let me know that you enjoy this content. Now before we start this knot, you are going to need 3 rings about 1 inch in diameter. They're going to be either steel or brass. You can get these very easily at the craft section of Walmart or any craft store. So let's go ahead, take off the vest, take down the knot, and we'll begin.
I mean the kind of music men hum or whistle when they feel on top of the world.
So we're going to start this knot with the blade on our right side and the tail on our left. The tip of the blade is going to be about 4 fingers above our belt line. We're going to go ahead and fold it in the center and then fold it back on itself to get our crease. And we're going to bring that to the center button line. Now we're going to take the tail of the tie. We're going to bring it over the top, behind the back, and up through the collar and out. Now we're going to bring it down behind the back from right to left, up, and once again through the collar, this time going from front to back. Now from here, we're going to take the tail of the tie and we're going to thread 2 of our rings through it. Just like that. We're going to bring that across here and then up and through the center. Now we want to make sure that our rings are separated, 1 on each side. So we have 1 on the right, 1 on the left, and we are going to take our 3rd ring and thread it through the tie up here. Now we're going to bring the loop, that center cross section, we're going to open that up just a little bit and thread the tail of the tie through that. And we're going to tighten it back up by going back to front on this top loop. And then I'm just going to pull that on through. Now we are going to take the tail that we just looped over the top. We're actually going to bring this through the right hand ring, just like that. Now the goal here is to bring it, this piece that's coming out the bottom, we want that to tuck in on itself like that. So it kind of disappears in the waist of the knot. Now we are going to bring this through the left hand ring from back to front and bring it back across through the right hand ring. So it's basically doing 1 full loop around the back, just like that. Now we're going to take the excess tail and we're going to tuck that into the gap between our collar and 2nd button, just like that. And what you can do, if you don't like how that sits, you can bring it, if you've got enough tail, you can bring it around 1 more time. But this should be enough, because even though this is a little bit loose, what's going to hold this in place is the next step. So we're going to take our blade of the tie and we're going to bring it up through this ring and tighten that. And that's going to give a little bit of a tug on the top here, but it's going to secure not only this ring in place, but the pressure on this ring is going to keep this cross section tightened. And so you can give it just a little bit more of a tuck. And now you're going to want to grip the waist of the knot here, and then thumb and forefinger and tighten it up that way. So you've got the blade, and then you tighten the neck, front and back, massage it into place, just like that. And the pressure of this ring also holds these side by side, so it resembles a waxing and waning crescent moon. Then you put your collar down. Make sure that your moons are on the outside of your collar. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, the double crescent knot. If you like what you saw, leave a thumbs up and share the video. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment down below, and I'm more than happy to answer them. Until next time, stay safe.
I mean the kind of music men hum or whistle when